Imagine this, you're sitting at your computer working on a presentation. You need a striking image for your title slide, something that really captures the essence of your message. Innovation in a digital age. So you open up Adobe Firefly and type in those exact words. Boom! In just seconds, a stunning image appears. Maybe it's a futuristic cityscape with data streams flowing through it, or a hand reaching out to touch a glowing orb. Whatever it is, it's perfect. This, my friends, is the power of Adobe Firefly. And hey, it's not just about static images either. Imagine needing a short animation for your social media campaign about sustainable living. You type it in, pick your style, and Firefly generates a beautiful animation of a plant growing from a phone, powered by the sun. It's like magic, but it's totally real. Firefly is more than just a cool trick, it's a powerful tool that allows anyone, no matter their artistic ability, to bring their ideas to life. It's really about making creativity accessible to everyone. So what exactly Adobe Firefly? In a nutshell, it's Adobe's family of creative generative AI models. Yeah, that sounds like a mouthful, right? Let's break it down a bit. Firefly uses the power of artificial intelligence to create images, text effects, videos, and more, all based on instructions. Think of it as your AI design partner, always ready to help you visualize your thoughts. Just describe what you want, and Firefly will make it happen. But here's what really makes Firefly stand out. It's deeply integrated with Adobe's suite of apps like Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro. That means you're not just generating cool stuff in isolation, you can seamlessly bring those AI-powered creations into your existing workflow. And the best part? Adobe is committed to developing Firefly responsibly, using ethical data sources and making sure creators' rights are protected. So, why is everyone so excited about Firefly? Well, for a bunch of reasons. First off, it makes the creative process lightning fast. Imagine brainstorming ideas for a logo and having multiple options in front of you within seconds. That's the power of Firefly. Secondly, Firefly promotes fair and ethical AI. Unlike some models trained on questionable data, Firefly is built on a foundation of ethically sourced, high-quality datasets. That means you can use it with a clear conscience, knowing you're not contributing to any shady practices. But it's not just about speed and ethics. Firefly helps maintain brand consistency too. Imagine you're a big company with a specific visual identity. Firefly can actually learn your brand guidelines and generate content that perfectly aligns with your brand every single time. And finally, Firefly isn't about replacing human creativity, it's about amplifying it. It takes care of the tedious tasks, so you can focus on the bigger picture, the concept, the message, the story you want to tell. Okay, enough talk. Let's see Firefly in action. One of the coolest things about Firefly is how it uses your words to create visuals. You can literally type in a description, like a cat wearing sunglasses on a beach, and Firefly will generate different images based on your prompt, but it doesn't stop there. You can also add styles to your text prompts. Want that cat image in a cartoon style? No problem, just add cartoon style to your prompt and voila, you've got a cartoon cat chilling on the beach. Firefly can also do some seriously cool things with images. Let's say you have a simple image of a circle. With Firefly, you can use text prompts to fill that circle with anything you can imagine. A galaxy, a cityscape, a bowl of ramen noodles, you name it. And if you're into video, Firefly is already dipping its toes into video generation. It's early days, but the possibilities are mind-blowing. Imagine generating short video clips just by describing what you want to see. So who's using Firefly? The answer is pretty much everyone. Marketers are using it to create eye-catching visuals for social media and ad campaigns. Educators are using it to bring lessons to life and inspire creativity in students. Filmmakers are experimenting with Firefly to streamline their post-production workflow, generating visual effects and backgrounds with ease. Fashion designers are using it to visualize new clothing designs and patterns. And let's not forget about artists. Concept artists, illustrators, and graphic designers are all incorporating Firefly into their creative process, using it to explore new ideas and push the boundaries of their craft. The best part about Firefly, this is just the beginning. Adobe is constantly working on new features and capabilities, pushing the limits of what's possible with generative AI. Imagine a world where you can generate 3D models just by describing them, where you can create entire virtual worlds using only your words. That's the kind of future Adobe is building with Firefly, and if that's not cool enough, How about voice to design? Imagine speaking your ideas out loud and having Firefly translate them into stunning visuals in real time. This is the kind of seamless, intuitive creative experience that Firefly is paving the way for. The future of creativity is multimodal, with AI seamlessly integrating into every step of the process, and Firefly is leading the charge. Adobe Firefly is more than just a tool, it's a creative partner. It empowers you to tell your stories, share your visions, and bring your wildest imaginations to life. It breaks down the barriers to creativity, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Firefly and discover the endless possibilities that await. Who knows? You might just surprise yourself with what you can create. Remember, everyone is a creator at heart. With Firefly, you have the power to unleash your inner artist and share your unique voice with the world.